The Sony VPL-VW1000ES 4K projector offers an unparalleled home theater experience with its cutting-edge 4K resolution, delivering images with astonishing clarity and detail. This projector supports a resolution that is more than 4 times that of standard high definition, ensuring breathtaking visuals even on the largest screens up to 200 inches. With its impressive dynamic contrast ratio of 1,000,000:1 and brightness of 2,000 ANSI lumens, it provides vibrant colors and deep blacks, enhancing the cinematic experience. The VPL-VW1000ES features advanced Sony technologies like SXRD and Reality Creation, which upscale high-definition content to near 4K quality for a more immersive viewing experience. For fans of 3D movies, this projector includes an integrated 3D transmitter and comes with 2 pairs of 3D glasses, offering bright crosstalk-free 3D viewing. The projector's flexible installation options, including motorized zoom and shift, make it adaptable to various home theater setups, while its whisper-quiet fan ensures minimal distraction.